Hi everyone, we're going to solve two logarithmic equations using the properties of logarithms. This is the first one we're going to do, and I didn't have room, so this is my right side here. And the first thing I'm going to do is condense this. I'm going to move my power there, so this will be log base 5 of 16 to the 1/2. And 16 to the 1/2, I'll just put it there. Okay, plus log base 5 of 1/4 plus log base 5 of 50. And I'm going to go ahead and condense this side. So I'm going to write it as a single log base 5 of 2x squared. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead, this is actually the square root of 16. And I'm going to combine all of these using the product property. So this is going to be log base 5, and this equals 4, times 1/4 times 50 equals log base 5 of 2x squared. So this whole thing equals 50. Now, since I have one log on each side, I can cancel. Divide by 2, I get 25 equals x squared. You square root both sides, you get x equals plus or minus 5. Now, you have to be sure to check your solutions. And when I plug in -5 into this part right here, it doesn't work. So my only solution is x equals 5. Okay, the next problem I have is very similar. It is 1/2 log base 7 of 25 plus log base 7 of 1/5 plus log base 7 of 32 equals log. And I'm going to go ahead and I have to write it over here, so I'm going to write it down here. It's going to be log base 7 of 2x plus log base 7 of x. So for this side, the first thing I'm going to do is move this 1/2 here. So it's going to be log base 7 of 25 to the 1/2, which is actually just the square root of 25, plus log base 7 of 1/2 plus log base 7 of 32. And I'm going to go ahead and combine this. That's going to be log base 7 of 2x squared. So this is very similar to the other one. Now I'm going to combine all of this into a single log. So it's log base 7 of 5 times 1/2 times 32 equals log base 7 of 2x squared. I can cross these out. We don't have to deal with that. I'm going to go ahead and half of 32 is 8, so that's going to be 40 equals 2x squared. Divide both sides by 2. Square root both sides, you get plus or minus square root of 20 equals x. Or plus or minus, this is, remember, 4 times 5. So this will be plus or minus 2 square root of 5 equals x. The minus doesn't work because of both of these x's here. It won't work. We can't look at this one. We have to look at our original problem. Since it doesn't work, we only can use 2 square root of 5 equals x. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.